Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start now. Disconnect the battery negative terminal to prevent shorts, then locate a clean path for the power cable from the battery to the amplifier. Use 0GA or 4GA cable based on amp current. Heavier is safer. Install an inline fuse holder within 18 inches of the battery, but do not insert the fuse yet. Once the fuse holder is mounted, run the power cable through a firewall grommet, protect it with loom, and keep it away from sharp edges and moving parts. Now focus on the core. Secure the amplifier to a rigid, ventilated location with at least 1-inch clearance for heat dissipation. Make the ground connection short and thick, under 12 inches, to a bare metal chassis point. Sand through paint and use star washers to ensure low resistance contact. Connect the head unit remote turn-on wire to the amp remote terminal and run RCA signal cables on the opposite side of the vehicle from power runs to minimize noise. Tighten all terminals snugly and check polarity. Finish deliberately. Insert the inline fuse, reconnect the battery negative, then power the head unit and confirm the amplifier's power LED and speaker output. Set gains and crossovers low at first, then play a mid-level test tone to bring gains up until you reach clean output without distortion. If you encounter hum, no power, or intermittent operation, immediately check the fuse, verify the ground connection resistance, confirm the remote turn-on has 12 volts, and isolate RCA grounding loops. Make adjustments, resecure connections, and retest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.